Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Twister45, also known as Christian, and today is a review video. Okay, we start with the first thing. Well, yeah, I record more with Bandicam, so I'm going to record a vlog again. Yeah, so first thing, why did I put out the Minecraft series? Well, I'll tell you that when I record with Bandicam, it's and when I put it with the camera, it's stuck too. So why should I record it? The second thing, why didn't I record a sticky video? Well, I recorded the horror movie part 2. Just that, and I don't want to upload on Master Markers. More episodes there will be. And the game review. Today will be one. I'll upload it with Bandicam again. There are 3, so you should watch it. Yeah. So, if you watch all the 3, you like, well, you know, like 17 minutes. Yeah. And I don't know if 17, I think it's 17. I don't know the second, so I won't cut out the first one. So, yeah, and what did I want to say? Yeah, I'll upload the game review, or maybe 2 even. But I don't have another game, so I'll upload one on it. Yeah, but I have another game that I don't think will be pretty good, so I'll try. And iPad, yeah, I put iPad on the recorder. There's a big television just like this, showing you. It's that big, so I think we should do that. Just comment on the first iPad video. I will do a series. I'll just tell you I'll do 1 episode, then you comment you want more, okay, and then it goes on and on and on. Yeah, so you know, I will get an intro. I'll make it because nobody will make it. Okay, so we go and we say bye!